Hello, today I will explore Drupadi Street and Kampung Tandu Street in Seminyak on request. So I just make live streaming now because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Drupadi Street and Kampung Tandu Street. You see this area? It's very quiet, isn't it? Oh, there's taxi there. That's good. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Makasih, terima kasih. You see, right side? Yeah, there is a tourist dropping on motorbike. That's good. But so far, this area is very quiet, isn't it? Just no people. Thank you, mate. Thank you very much. Good day, mate. Again, so sorry because the voice is not so clear. I was driving with a bike today. Yeah, we are in Drupadi Street now. It's very quiet. You see left side? There is a tourist too on motorbike. You see left side? There is a tourist on the sidewalk. That's good, isn't it? I make live streaming in this area in Drupadi Street because on request from my viewers. But I can say sorry, mate. The road is not so smooth. It's a bit bumpy here. So the video will be not stabilizer. It's very quiet, isn't it? Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you. Oh, you see the tourists at the front dropping on bicycle. Yeah, that's good. And in the right side there is the big hotel we call Harris Hotel. But also look quiet, I think. Oh, there's some car parking there at the front. That is good. Yeah. Domestic tourism is come to Bali now. You see? It's a little bit busy around here. This hotel. Last week was very quiet, but now it's getting better. Since our government say, if you want to come to Bali for domestic tourism, you just need rapid antigen. You don't have to use PCR test. Yeah, but so far still quiet in this area. Thank you for your like, brother. Thank you. Yeah, in October. I hope you're coming back to Bali soonly. Before the October, maybe early next year without quarantine. So you can come to Bali without quarantine, that will be hope. Tejuli Hotel, right side? Yeah, some people there. That is good. And there is some people hire motorbike there. In the right side, there is Courtyard Hotel by Marriott. It's the big one. But that thing also look quiet. Okay, now we continue driving to just turn right to explore Kampung Tandu Street and Seminyak Beach. So today I will show you how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach in real time. Ah, there's a tourist on motorbike. That's good. Okay, we're driving faster. You see at the front? That is Seminyak Beach. It's not so far from here. This is the Royal Hotel. Royal? It's look quiet, isn't it? Just look like no people there. Okay guys, now we will reach the beach. You see the trees? They're driving on Gojek. Hello! Yes, this is the beach. Seminyak Beach. But I'm gonna say sorry, in this area to drive in by motorbike it's a bit hard because the road is so bumpy. So the video will be not so stable. Some stories there. That's good. Look quite busy, isn't it? Some people there, some tourists there. I hope Bali will be getting better and better, and lot of tourists come to Bali soonly. So Bali will be get the normal like before. I mean before the pandemic corona. Okay? I'm just gonna be parking my motorbike here, and then I will go down to the beach. Yeah, this is Seminyak Beach. How beautiful it is. Very blue sky. And very sunny. And the water also looks so blue, the water. Yeah, not so busy, but some tourists there. I mean, international tourism. I'm really happy to see that. I want to show you. You know, in this area is the best place to having sunset. So usually in the afternoon there is a lot of people come down the beach to enjoy the sunset in this beach. It's very famous. This is some local people. I mean domestic tourism. Enjoy the beach, have some coconut water. It's very beautiful. It's going to be high tide, I think. Hello. Hello, boy. It's very cute, isn't it? And there is some people playing surfing there. I will try to make a zoom. Actually, on the ocean, there's a lot of people playing surfing there. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm really hope you will be back to Bali as soon as possible, and our government make better rule so you can come to Bali without quarantine. That's what we hope, because quarantine just kill the people, because it's not so expensive. Because it's not so cheap, so expensive. You see surfer there? Yeah, that is good. Okay, so I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching my video, and I will make continue dropping, and I will explore around Legian Street. Maybe I go to the Sanur today, because Sanur is already 2 weeks. I don't going down there to explore, to update the station right there. Okay, I hope this video give you an information about Bali, the real station in Bali around this time. It's pretty good here. Beautiful beach, isn't it? And some tourists there. See? Yeah, there is international tourism. I'm really happy when I see them. And I can say sorry because my English is not really good, not so clear, because it's been around 2 years I don't use my English language, because not tourists in Bali. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.